How to set up Airalo eSIM on Android. So guys, first things first, what you have to do is head over to your Play Store and search up for Airalo and make sure that you have this installed right onto your device. Next step, you're going to open that up, head over to the store and select the popular countries eSIM that you want to buy. I'm going to select my local country and then I'm going to wait for it to display all the eSIMs that it offers. These are the multiple different eSIMs that they offer for about price ranging from 4.5 US dollars all the way to as far as $32. You can have this one's valid for 7 days, this one's valid for 15 days, 30 days, and so on and so forth. So you can have them for as long as a week up to 4 weeks, meaning like a whole month. You can either choose to buy it like this by clicking on buy now. And once you do that, you can select the additional information, the type of SIM that you want, the coverage that it offers you, the data that they're going to offer you, the pricing that they're going to offer you. Basically, it's just an eSIM without having to install an actual SIM or put in an actual SIM manually into your phone. This is just going to be an eSIM. You can, once everything is done, you're going to simply click on buy now. Now to buy now, you're going to have to sign up or log in. We're going to sign up using Google account. You can use your Facebook account as well, or you can manually edit and enter in all of your credentials. I'm going to click and quickly sign up using my Google account. Now, after the sign up process is done, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is add in your payment details and basically buy in that eSIM, and then the process is pretty self-explanatory. Once you have that SIM in right here, you can just see the eSIMs that you have, the current eSIMs that you have, or the archived eSIMs that you have, and you can simply activate them. You also have about $3 of Air Money credits that you can get by sharing your referral code with your friends. So guys, this is a quick and easy tutorial on how to set up Airalo eSIM on Android. If you find this video helpful, be sure to leave a like, comment down below, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.